Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a awesome week. Today I'm back with a haul. This is from Amazon. This is my first video back after the holidays. I try and do a few so that when I video, I can only video on certain days and craft on certain days. I try and work it around everything else that I have going on. So I do pre-record a lot of my videos and stagger them. So obviously this is my first video back from the holiday, but obviously you won't see this until sort of the end of September. I do apologise for my nails. These are holiday nails, and as you can see they're outgrown and yeah, they need taking off. That one's already come off. Yeah, so I've started sort of repairing. I find I have this this is hard gel, and sometimes it takes a few layers off of your nails, so I don't get them done like that often. And I will put like a repair thing to strengthen my nails on after and give them a break from these. And yeah, so I do apologise, they are outgrowing, they need taking off. But yeah, I thought I'd pop on today and share a haul with you guys. Also a quick note, I'd like to say thank you to everyone that commented on my Instagram. I do, if you ever follow me on Instagram, I do try and share over there just little bits of what I've been up to. If I'm not posting crafting videos, then I'll share what we're getting up to over on my Instagram. We're a family of 6, so I do have a little one. In the summer holidays I tend to not do much crafting. I spend time as a family, and yeah, I try and share a few bits over there. I shared a few photos of our time in Morocco. We went for 2 weeks, which was absolutely amazing. The kids really enjoyed it. We've been there before. Yeah, we love Morocco. This time we went to Tagazout, and we did a few different bits there. Went to Tagazout village and stuff. Went to the beach because we were near the coast this time. Last time when we went, we was in Marrakesh, which is the city, like a big city. Yeah, so we did like different bits and bobs there, which was amazing. The weather was gorgeous, and so was the food. So yeah, so back to this is going to be an Amazon haul. I went on there and saw a few stamps, dies, and I think I got some embellishments. I will try and link everything if I can in the description down below. I'm just hoping I'm in frame here. So I got this little gingerbread die. I thought this was really cute. I couldn't tell you what website it was from. Like I said, I will try and link everything. It's just a little gingerbread man. You've got like bow tie, buttons, his eyes, nose, mouth. These are like the little bits on his arms and legs. And I think that goes on like for his hair. I thought they'd be quite nice as little shakers. I think I could make that into a shaker or a tag or something. Christmas projects. So I got that one. Then got this sentiment that says, I think it says Happy Day. This is a X-cut die. I think it says Happy Days. It's got a little face as well. Just thought there's something different. Then got these. I didn't know it came with these little like foam sticker things, but I just got it for the resin pieces. These are all Christmas related resin pieces. And then it came with, so it came with the resin pieces, then it came with a load of these. And I think this is so that you can attach it and they can move around on like your cards and things. So like they'd spin on cards or projects and things. Yeah, obviously I've not used these before, but they're all Christmas cabochons. I mean, I could use these for other things. Just try and share a few different ones with you. Candy canes, Santa's cute. Snowman. I think there's quite a few, obviously, that are the same. You got these bells. That's the same. Santa. That little Santa. Reindeer. Yeah, like I said, there's quite a few in there. So got those. And that was what that was in. Then saw this. I don't know if it's got a name. Nope. This stamp of this little girl. I'll just see if I can find a bit of card. It's a cute image of this girl with a coffee cup, and then it's all like coffee themed. You've got ice creams, little notepads, coffee makers, plant there, milk carton. I thought she was really cute. I thought it'd be fun to colour. And I guess if you had like, you did planners and things, you could use that for that. So that's that one. Then this is a Christmas die and stamp set. It's got this cute bear ringing a bell. It comes with the dies as well. You've got this reindeer coming out this like gift box, music notes, and then you get the dies to go with that. So that's a Marianne Designs set. So I thought that'd be fun to do Christmas projects with. Again, another die. This one says happy birthday, and it's like layering. Again, I thought for some projects. This says new, but I don't know the company. But yeah, I thought that'd be quite cool. Then this is a pink and main stamp set. And I just thought it was really cute images. You got two pairs. You've got a sundae, dessert. This one, it's like peanut butter and jam kind of thing. So it says we go together like PB and J. Yeah, I just thought they would be really cute. My BFF, very sweet friends. Yeah, I thought it was quite sweet sentiments and stamps. The next one is this die set. And state what it's called. Oh, there's more wrappers. So they're like gift tags, some flowers, and then this outer piece. You could either make it into a box, or you could make it into an album or like a large tag. Then you've got another layering piece. You've got a couple of hearts, labels, some leaves, yeah, and then this is some extra pieces for layering. On the website it kind of shows you how you can put it all together and stuff, so I'm excited to try that, and I'll most probably come back and share with you how it is when it's all put together. So that's that one. Then I saw these are alphabet Christmas. They've got like little Christmas hats on them. Again, I thought for Christmas projects, some have got holly, some have got antlers. Yeah, I thought they were really cute. those ones. Then this stamp set, you got these, it's like a travel one, and this is by Global Land. I just like the little camera, the girls, the bags. I thought it was quite nice if you were like making a travel album, or if you were doing a birthday card of someone that likes to travel and stuff. I thought that'd be great to use. Then I got some more Christmas dies. So I got, these are all by X-Cut. So I got this Santa one. These, it says actual size on this one. So you get 10 dies in here, and it makes this cute Santa. Again, I thought for tags and Christmas cards and things. So I got that one. This reindeer one, really cute. 9 dies in this one. And that's, it doesn't say the actual size on that one, so maybe that comes up slightly bigger, I'm not sure. And then this one says actual size, and you get 11 dies, and it makes snowmen. It just does the heads, so you could do like the bodies if you wanted to. But I thought they were really cute, so I got those. Then I picked up this one. Again, X-Cut, and it's got 2 little birds, 14 dies it says. So it comes with the flowers, the hoop, and I thought that was really nice. I can use that on, so if I was doing the snowman, I could put that, and that could be like the tag. Sometimes it's quite nice to have a big tag on presents and things, or you could make it into a card of some sort. But yeah, I thought I could use that as the tag, and then I could use these like the reindeer and all that on this tag. But yeah, it comes with 2 birds, the flowers, and again, really nice size. So that's that one. Then got some embossing folders. I don't really have any embossing folders, and I thought it'd be quite nice if you want to do a simple card. And I don't know, in my previous video I shared some of those sprays that I picked up from Hobbycraft, and I thought they'd be quite good to use on some, like if I emboss and then use the sprays on it. I thought that'd be quite nice, simple card with a sentiment. So these were quite cheap as well on Amazon. They're 6x6 embossing folders. I thought perfect if I do a 6x6 card. And I just like this one, to me, kind of autumn. So that's what I had, kind of had that in mind for. And then I just like these two. So you got, it's all sort of floral, flowers and stuff. So yeah, they're the 3 that I picked up. And then the last thing is I picked up was this. It's Gorgeous Girls. I've never had one of these before. It's a jumbo die. You get 30 pieces in it. Gorgeous Girl die with embossing detail and 5 exclusive coordinate. Oh, so you get papers in here as well. You get those papers, and then obviously you get the branch with the flowers, the beehive, and then the girl and the little label as well. And then you also get the sentiment with love. So the dies to spell out with love as well. So I thought that was really good. And I know this was quite a good price on this. I think it was only I want to say £2, £3 something. And I thought I actually didn't think it was going to be this big. So I'm really pleased with that and excited to try that out. Put her all together. So that's it, guys. That's all I have to share with you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, I will be back to doing some Christmas crafts hopefully soon, or I might do Halloween. I haven't decided yet whether to do Halloween this year or not. It all depends if I get round to it on time and stuff. by the time I sometimes get round to crafting, we're being Christmas months. Yeah, so I might skip Halloween this year and just go straight into doing Christmas crafts. I know I've got a swap coming up with the lovely Kim, so I do need to start preparing for that. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching and commenting and leaving lovely comments and things on my channel. I do really appreciate it. And I will catch you in my next one. Have an awesome week, guys. Take care. Bye.